Starting with skill number 1, prompt engineering, with an income potential between 50 and 100 an hour. Communicating with AI systems has become as valuable as coding software in the internet was in the early 2000s. People need folks that know how to do prompt engineering, crafting the message, how to talk to the AI. See, if you don't know how to do that, garbage in is garbage out, and you won't get results. Asking the AI to say, create me a marketing plan, is not a great prompt. And yet that is how most people use it every day. So I want to give you something that I never share, which is my exact structure for how all my companies have to do great prompting. Because if they don't learn how to talk to the AI won't give them the gold. And I don't have time to waste. This has to be perfect. The first thing is you got to define the role. When you're talking to an AI, you have to say, act as a marketer, act as a designer. Or even today, I was reviewing some legal docs, and the prompt my assistant put in that she shared with me said, act as a lawyer. Because if you don't tell it how to process the information, then it can't give you the specifics through the lens that you need to get the best output. The second is provide the data. If you want your AI chat to give you the best output, give it examples. The more information, the more examples of what works great, the better. When I'm trying to get my AI to help me with copy or financial analysis, I have to give it examples of what great data looks like. Number 3, make the ask. Give very clear instructions for what you want and what you need. See, most people are very vague. Tell it you want certain types of analysis, you want it to do research. The more specific you are in your prompt, the better the response is going to be. Number 4 is request the format. There's no way that I'm going to ask for a response without telling it how I want it crafted. If I want it bulleted, I want it short, I want it pithy, I want it summarized, I want it as a PDF, I want it as an image, maybe I want it as a spreadsheet. Whatever the format you need it, you have to tell it. If you don't, it's just going to give you back text. It's not going to give you the insight you're going to need from the AI. To make this easy, if you want my exact prompt PDF, like my actual.
So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.